The bridge inauguration that is to take place today. This is a row as far as the centre and the government of Karnataka is concerned. The Chief Minister there is asking for a postponement of the inauguration of this bridge. Siddaramaiah has gone on to say that they should have invited us, and no Karnataka government representative is going to be at the launch. Therefore, he's written to Nitin Gadkari. Let's listen in to what he really had to say in that letter to the Highways and the Transport Minister.
ನಾನು ತಿಕ್ಕಟ್ಟದ ಕರಿಬೇಕಲ್ವ ಅವರು ತಿಕ್ಕಟ್ಟ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿರೋರು ಯಾರು ತಿಕ್ಕಟ್ಟ ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿರೋರು ಅವರೇನೆ ಶಿಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ಪಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಒಕ್ಕೂಟದ
Well, we have Deepak joining us to get us the very latest on this. Deepak, basically the information that they've got, the communication regarding the inauguration of this bridge was very, very late, and which is why the Chief Minister is not really available for that inauguration ceremony. He's gone on to say even his name is on the invitation.
Well, this is the Singandur Cable State Bridge, and it's being inaugurated in Sagara. This is in Shimoga. This is the longest bridge in, Karnataka, and one of the longest even in India. So it's a huge, inauguration event that's happening. The Union Minister is going to be here. Several state BJP leaders are there. They've been, of course, talking about it all over on social media. Now, the Chief Minister says that he was not, informed earlier about this inauguration. He even today, while speaking to us, went on to say that he spoke personally to Mr. Nitin Gadkari, who promised him that there will be a postponement. He then followed it up with a letter as well. He says that probably there was a lot of pressure from the BJP leaders to go ahead with an event, and there are set protocols because this event is being held in Karnataka. The Chief Minister says neither him or any others were invited, and therefore none of them from the state government will be participating.
Right. Thank you so much, Deepak, for getting us those details.